Mtaa wa Kijani. This is a campaign that significantly responds to the climatic change agenda, that is, global warming. It is true that global warming is the result of human social economic activities such as businesses, shelter, and farming. Deforestation is a major case in the process to exercise our daily lives, and a lot of things are affected through deforestation such as climate change, desertification, soil erosion, fewer crops, flooding, increased greenhouse gases in the atmosphere, and a host of problems for indigenous people. Mtaa wa Kijani is a call to action to fight against the climatic change case by encouraging awareness on the importance of trees in relation to maintaining our environment for a better life. The vision of Mtaa wa Kijani: having a productive environment for a better economy. The mission of Mtaa wa Kijani: to mobilize the society in the importance of planting trees. The objectives: the first one, agriculture. Agro-society needs to know the relationship between trees and their harvest. Trees planted near agricultural land offer many environmental benefits. They reduce erosion, increase soil fertility, lower water tables, and help stabilize water supplies. We shall exercise awareness to farmers in relation to trees and their harvest. This education will empower the farmers to understand that a quality food product is as a result of good environment, hence leading to a big agricultural market. Apparently, this will attract economic integration between markets determined by the quality of the produce. The second one, business. Corporate engagement in environmental conservation. The corporate society is to communicate the significance of planting trees in relation to marketing and strengthening of their brands. Cut 1, plant 2. There are businesses that are directly linked to deforestation, such as timber business and charcoal business. Mtaa wa Kijani is an initiative to encourage people involved in this business to replace cut trees by planting trees in advance. This will make the business sustainable in generations. Number 3, tourism. Utalii ni mazingira. Mtaa wa Kijani aims to tell the society by actions that without maintaining sources of water and tree growth, our tourism destinations such as Mikumi National Park will be deadly affected. So all tourism stakeholders such as investors, tourists, and the society around are to plant trees respectively to sustain the threat of climatic change. Number 4, talents. We start with entertainment. There are many talents in Tanzania, specifically Mikumi as a case study. These talents are to be used to encourage or motivate the society towards significant initiative. For example, environmental conservation. It is true that art communicates the message faster to the targeted audience. Artists from respective areas will incorporate their art with Mtaa wa Kijani initiative. For example, videos and audios with Mtaa wa Kijani content. This will eventually make the whole society simply responsible to plant trees and understand the significance of a good green environment for their lives. Sports. Michezo ni mazingira. All types of sports and games are to be performed and played in a conducive environment. Mtaa wa Kijani will engage all sports and games stakeholders to understand that they can contribute directly to conservation of the environment not only to the areas or fields of their sports, but the whole society. Mtaa wa Kijani League will be an initiative to mobilize sports and game stakeholders to connect with their respective initiative. 5. Children engagement. Mtaa wa Kijani initiative recognizes that children are the leaders of now. Therefore, if we equip the children with knowledge and understanding, there will eventually be environmental life advocates. Mtaa wa Kijani will have specific classes in school to explain the connection between trees and relevant products obtained or made out of trees. For example, pencils, exercise books, and furniture. This will be done through programs and styles related to children, for example, radio shows and video animation, that is, cartoons. With this, we shall create a generation that is aware of environmental conservation. The conclusion: miti ni sisi, na sisi ni miti. It is true that we coexist with trees in the sense that what we inhale is what trees exhale and vice versa. Mtaa wa Kijani is an initiative of a great conscience to enhance humanity in relation to socio-economic activities. We are our environment. Let's live in Mtaa wa Kijani.